we are about GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. And I am in the studio to mess my mic no sound no mo fanchemi se twitwi bibemu a mo fanchemi. Latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. Kweku Annan the national security one report be atuja the musam de chese aye deja. Now say be bura and seminum message say so when you subscribe to the channel na message say over subscribe. What the other say over click the subscribe button now our belly notification we say video for bia be upload no so once ebe can be I feel we are now like give video no give us a thumbs up now feel wa share my offer for so now when you be now won share afi yembo ra sebinim Kweku Annan what the ensema to jaw chese national security one report be abeto nsem musem no chese abanwe wan hweya ni ma bi betimi asi ewo mamu na wo chese eya abato ko ebeto no wan hweya abanwe kura wo bedi enkugo na no de sobo ebo Kan Dapaah private jet bi abesi airport I see ho chese no American government eni di chire den na wo chese narcotics munsensem bi national security coordinator with the for narcotics near just a hunsem de deja I send me brave and a Kweku Annan ebie so efa national security one reporter aba betuja want to be money national security boss ora Kan Dapaah Kweku Annan de ensem bebre atuja yembora Kweku Annan ni sebna yentie ensem a wode atuja fa sa national security report yentie Kweku Annan ensem no mo yentie no
we recall. The report stated categorically the ineptitude and the corrupt nature of the National Security Coordinator, Edward Kweku Asmeni, continued to militate against the nation's security architecture. Mokai, Wednesday, made the National Security Report, KCB Tuga. So our report it was written by the Joint Intelligence Committee. There are about 5 groups: fire service, immigration, customs, police, the military, kaboom, no mina kwatra, the National Security Blue Gate ho. And one more day, one more drain on my the security of the states. Say beya bonibi ento me but Wednesday Ghana for munya opportunity na mo share the front line no mote o masun na migusu na me inform Ghana for isan say enye me Kweku na me kan the national security report no da nyoma bi edi say ebria yete o memu hey anything can happen, be that of say a group of call them some miscreants or some bad can violate Ghana's territorial waters. And now, as I said, they will penetrate through our airspace and now the borderlines. Anything. Bibia bet miesi. And yamin American, it was according to the report. Now, more share program no Obia who said may kind national security report. Now report na Anzuho. Indeed, the report went further to disclose the defeat staring at the governing party NPP if the above tendency continue on that trend. Well, the front line is about to expose some other senior officers at the apex of the NSA, the National Security Agency, yes. Ebra me kind report in the chairman. Report no also signed da bibie di se. Afi abenya watia kunyeswe eye the governing party NPP. Se one man hwe nieme bi ye amfa nieme bi antoto se de so omde to a enkuguo eda wo manim Kweku nyame na me trust our report me kan kire mo. That's here the report. What it means in say the national security for no one man den akofom akoye nieme bebre en wo munim se asem kese bi da ho. But you see debi ameka say before man ye beto aba no national security for wo munim de dada ansa na aba na yato. And there are so many good reasons why national security for no enim say aban wo te akunwa so no obedi nkunim ana obedi nkugo. Report na da way for some me report cry and some way sisi we chire no. I cannot me to me fan chire mo bio. Cause I want somewhere pompon ba no anodne. Anodne pa. Yes, report and copy, soft copy in Ukraine. Yes, the National Security Affairs Joint Intelligence Committee report, top secret, and a dahano. Growing concerns, situational report, very disturbing, very explosive. Report in Eka Kwanya, Kweku Annan Edward Kweku Asumeni, Kronua, what that National Security wa, Obo, Kronua. A bit is oil or ton gold. A bit is oil or narcotics, cocaine. A bit is oil or transporting narcotic cocaine outside this country. Edward Kweku Asumeni, National Security Coordinator. I didn't say this. Your report is saying it. Now, Mokaya, there have been other reports and also Yababe Denedia. The report is saying that the same National Security Coordinator is also involved in the money laundering. A baby maker money laundering. Some not Muslim TV. Say na body. Go and ask your National Security Coordinator if he's doing money laundering or he's not. The report is exposing him, including say all ton or participating in illicit trade, gold, cocaine. The cocaine now bono. And Yamina Mekaya National Security Report is saying this. Maybe somewhere bisa Nyankopon yad may be a Monday, a beadibi. Maybe somewhere aircraft BC airport, Kotoka International Airport. They say America say, yeah, the aircraft in Aqua Koshe, the military Air Force base, the India. A Deben Tinia de a or a US private Gulf Stream, no, yet they are Kosher Air Force Base. Until recently, me for say barely about little above 2 months near. And the PM say cocaine be a airport to and I ante. What has become of that case? Now, Makachremo, the National Security Minister Kan Dapaah is trying everything possible to avert a major explosion on this government. They know. And let me break the news to you. The U.S. government is monitoring the situation very close. And the reason why some private jetway and that's so esiwa entimin go back to United States is because the American government is a map playing into. Ebani saying and the narcotics and a boom all have been evacuated. National Security Minister, speak. You have to speak. Kweku Asumeni, you have been accused ostensibly to be engaging in illegal trade, which is against the laws of this country. And you are quiet. Yes, so you're kromfo. You are a criminal, a man of many parts, so dirty. Now, in the coming days, the front line definitely shall expose some other senior officers at the NSA. In the coming days, the front line show would expose other senior officers at the NSA, the National Security Agency. Officers whose nefarious activities have impacted negative on the nation's envious national security organization. Yes. And penifobia mushisha national security wa boni amadie amasa edumakoi enumnyam ebata ho na ema omaino security no ISO envious even the whole of Africa and then national security now it is a rack to mop the floor because of boni amudie. Now, one person ambebo Udian Adri Namakacho state to nearby also. Ora why Peter Opata. Mr. Opata, who was National Security Foreign Service, meboa? Yes. Yebaho. Mr. Peter Opate, we are coming there. And be a next week or whatever. Upecha will be at the better bonte. Ghanaians need to know you. Peter Opata, National Security, Foreign Directorate, Research, and Yama Moya Hono, President Akufo-Addo should know. Peter Opata, President Akufo-Addo should know. A Kwanya, Modern National Security, AC Konko, Modo Honyae Konkosi, and Sikano Munyano bin to me inexplicable wealth. Wintimin Chregana for baby Amunia says Kano. Na ebeyan sembe brave na national security mpeni for munyina ye Edward Kweku Asmeni gina ye brana be yin samni na ye dia boss mo no brana be ye no cocaine gold rape case ye ni na to so bebre. I didn't say this and I'm not the one saying it. I'm saying it reading reports, including a top businessman whose property ever him for spinters wakwa jidan huge building and a wooden national security young officers edwo mekogum and a woody sa dan so the edgy sika free national security or millions of cedis into their private account. You've been accused of say what the one kasa would dying yet directly opposite a dana was in 2 Mirage just around him for Ministry of Foreign Affairs. A dynasty on the Ghana for minimum media. Now the Baba renting national security, saying $200 million. We all right. This is the state of Ghana is crumbling, it's sinking too fast, and we need a life oxygen to survive because we are going head to head. Oh, we are going to hit the iceberg, not the tip of it, folks.
Yo, it is for winning and some year Kweku Annan the two dry national security one report abeto abontin and na Kweku Annan abrobro so awode so bobibre boy national security boss ura Kan Dapaah ne ne coordinator nsensem yekoso Kweku Annan de nsem dodo na ara na atuda meka say GCD so na wo hwe no say wunya subscribe ya message say over subscribe no like it na wa share video no ma ofoforo so enya bi na wa hwe so betimi akere wadwen afa ensem we nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu mobeti minka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.